Good morning everybody. So in this class we are going to start a new unit, that is series solution of differential equations. So it is a new unit. So in the last class we have completed unit 1, that is solution of simultaneous differential equations and condition for integrability. So we have derived the condition for integrability and we have solved the problems on condition of integrability. Okay, so there the unit 1 completes. Okay, so today we start the next unit, that is a series solution of differential equations. Okay, so in this series solution means what? So series solution means it is a method of solving a differential equation with using series. Okay, so in this method we are going to develop the method of solving equations of the form P0 of x d square y by dx square plus P1 of x dy by dx plus P2 of x into y equal to 0. So this is equation 1. So in this method we are going to we are going to learn the method of solving such type of differential equation. So it's one type of differential equation. So where this P0 of x, P1 of x and P2 of x all are functions of x. So where P1 of x comma P0 of x and P2 of x all are polynomial in x. All are polynomial in x. Okay, so this is one type of differential equation. So it has a variable coefficients, but these variables are in the form of polynomials. Okay, so in this method what we do, dividing equation 1. Okay, dividing equation 1 by P0 of x, dividing equation 1 by P0 of x. So we get, okay, so here this is the equation 1. Okay, so this is equation 1. So here we divide this whole equation, by P0 of x, right? P0 of x. So we get, so first P0 get cancelled, so only d square y by dx square. In the second we have P1 of x, so it is P1 of x divided by P0 of x dy by dx plus third one P2 of x divided by P0 of x into y equal to 0. So thus we dividing the equation 1 by P0 of x, we get this equation. Okay, we get this equation. Now let us denote, okay, this whole term by P of x, by P of x, correct? And similarly, let us denote this whole term by Q of x, correct? So that is, I am writing here, let P of x is equal to P1 of x divided by P0 of x, and Q of x is equal to P2 of x divided by P0 of x. Okay, so then replacing those, then we get d square y by dx square plus P of x dy by dx plus Q of x into y equal to 0. So call this equation as 2. Okay, 2. Right. So after this, now we define some points here. We define certain points. The first one is ordinary point. Ordinary point. Okay. So now here in this we define this as x equal to 0 is called an ordinary point, of 1. Ordinary point of 1. 1 means what? Equation 1. So this is equation 1. Okay, x equal to 0 is called ordinary point of this equation. Okay, if P0 of 0 should not be equal to 0. Okay, so P0 of 0 is not equal to 0. So here this is P0 of x, correct? This is P0 of x. This one is P0 of x. Suppose in this, if you substitute x equal to 0, then its value should not be equal to 0. That is the meaning of that sentence, correct? Okay, so here if P0 of 0 is not equal to 0, then x equal to 0 is called an ordinary point of 1. An ordinary point of 1. Okay, otherwise it is called as a singular point. That means what? If P0 of 0 is equal to 0, then it is called as a singular point. Okay. So next comes the solution of the given equation. So when x equal to 0 is an ordinary point. When x equal to 0 is an ordinary point, then how to find the solution? When x equal to 0 is an ordinary point of 1, of equation 1. So then every solution can be expressed as can be expressed as y is equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus and so on. Okay, so this can be written in the summation form. So summation from k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x to the power k, ak x to the power k. So if x is equal to 0 is an ordinary point of 1, so then the solution can be written in this form. So y is equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus so on dash 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 equal to. So this can be written in the simplified manner, that is in summation form. Summation from k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x to the power k. Okay, this is one method. Next singular point we define. Singular point we define. Now here x equal to 0 is called a singular point. X equal to 0 is called a singular point of 1. X equal to 0 is called a singular point of 1 if p naught of 0 is equal to 0. Okay, so if it is a singular point, then p naught of 0 is equal to 0. Okay, so then next comes regular singular point. Next becomes regular singular point. So here it is defined as if x into p of x and x square into q of x possesses derivatives of all orders, possesses derivatives of all orders in the neighborhood of the point x equal to 0. X equal to 0 is called a regular singular point. Regular singular point, correct? So now if it is a regular singular point, then how to assume the solution? So when x equal to 0 is a regular singular point. Okay, so then the solution can be written as y is equal to x to the power m into bracket a naught plus a1x plus a2x square and so on, which can be written in the summation form as summation from k is equal to 0 to infinity a naught x to the power m plus k, a naught into x to the power m plus k. Okay, sorry, a naught, it should be ak. It is ak into x to the power m plus k, summation from k is equal to 0 to infinity. Okay, so this is the introduction of a series solution of differential equation. These are basic concepts. So in the next class we solve problems on this series solution of differential equation. That is, when x is how to solve when x is equal to 0 is an regular point, and when x is a regular singular point. Okay, so with this I conclude this class and continue in the next class. Thank you.